Unong ilam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangmao la takranting ya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance halo ka jinglen jong ka jingyai bteng panti bat khayitu dewïong hapo ka jala Meghalaya ka balon ra ka jingdu nong ka bakraw na benta ka sarkar bat kumjuru na ka benta ki district council ka sarkar ka lenbe rei dahnin ka si wei briew du la ka jong ka jingem ka ba wei pat udon hapdeng ka jingman saw ka bajur na ka jingtua bat khalam ka krem dewïong ka bodon hayurak ryangdim ka bahap apo Shalang West Castle district.
Yesterday you have seen what has happened. One precious life lost because of the continuation of the illegal mining. Why have the government robbed the people of the opportunity to realize benefit out of the resources by completing the whole necessary measures for the Honorable National Green Tribunal to cognizance and ban the coal mining? But after that, what the government did? Our government said that all the rights of our people must be restored. In the state of Meghalaya, we have a very unique system of land holding. The ownership over the land and resources are vested with the people. The people are the owners of the land. That's why government has filed affidavit to indicate that in NGT and in the Honorable Supreme Court, because the whole country didn't know about this unique system of the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Supreme Court took cognizance of this reality, this customary law and practices which have been enjoyed by our people since time immemorial. And the Honorable Supreme Court recognized his right and gave a judgment saying that yes, in the state of Meghalaya, coal mining should be started, and all the owners of the land will have the right over the coal under the surface of the land. This is what our government did through the various stand of the government that we filed before the Honorable Supreme Court through affidavit. But the government of the day did not understand this. That's why in the assembly once, when the Chief Minister was replying to the questions, he was saying that yes, for the legal mining, the government will issue the mining list. We have to remind the Chief Minister and the government. Look, when the landowner is somebody else, other cannot give the mining lease. Therefore, the power and the right to give mining lease is vested with the landowners. We have to remind the Chief Minister, because of his ignorance about the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. That proceeding is on record in the Assembly. Therefore, today, after the judgment of the Honorable High Court in 2019, why has the government not completed this whole exercise to facilitate and start legal mining, so that the state is not deprived of the revenue resources, besides the multiple opportunities that opened up for the livelihood of our poor people and the owners of the land and resources. Today, this government is therefore responsible for all the deprivation of these opportunities. This is the government who has deprived the coal miners. This is the government who has deprived the resources which have accrued to the state exchequer through legal mining. Because illegal mining continues, and when illegal mining continues, the resources don't come to the government. The state is deprived of the resources. The state is deprived of the revenue. So also the district councils, who also has a share of these resources, they are deprived. You will be perturbed, you will be disturbed to know that for 3 years, the employees of Garo's Autonomous District Council have not been paid of their salaries. How insensitive this government is, and how the ugly face of irregularities and corruption is manifesting itself, you can easily understand.